Welcome. In this video I will show you how to update software on your Nothing Phone 3 Lite smartphone. In order to update software on your smartphone, open Settings and navigate all the way down to the System section. In System, you have to find System Updates and open this menu. And in order to check for available system updates, first make sure that your device is connected to the internet, either using Wi-Fi or mobile data. Then tap Check for updates and see if you have any updates to install. If you do have any updates to install, your phone will download and install them automatically. Make sure that your smartphone is sufficiently charged to at least 50%. And that's basically it. Once the update is installed, your phone will restart and the changes will be applied. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.